Morning everyone. I am Navjot Kaur, Assistant Professor in Education, Shukdeva Krishna College of Education for Girls, Kalkala Moga. Today we will study about the core curriculum and hidden curriculum, that is the compulsory part of our B.Ed. First of all, we will study about the core curriculum. What is core curriculum? The core curriculum is the common learning, usually consists of some type of some compulsory subjects like social sciences, maths, geography, history, civics, art, drawing, etc. In this type of curriculum, there exists a set of common learning, and that common learning includes knowledge, skills, and values, etc. Core curriculum is a set of common courses that are considered basic and essential for future classwork. That is a compulsory part of our future classwork, like maths, languages, sciences, social sciences, art, drawing, languages. That are some examples of core curriculum. Next one, definitions of core curriculum. According to Kessler, core curriculum may be regarded as those learning experiences which are fundamental for all learners because they are drawn from their common individual and social needs as competent citizens of a democratic community. According to Kessler, he said that about the core curriculum is that curriculum which we gathered experiences from all learners, for all learners, which we drawn from their common individual and social needs, day by day needs to build up a competent citizen of a democratic country. Next one, Caswell, a continuous, carefully planned series of experiences. Core curriculum is a continuous, planned series of experiences which we carefully planned out, which is based on significant personal and social problems and which involves learning of common concern from all youth. Next one, characteristics of core curriculum. Core curriculum is an independent type of curriculum. Which independent in the sense that it includes sciences, social sciences, all type of subjects, or may be regarded as that is the science streams, art stream, commerce stream. It may be regarded as an independent type of curriculum. Next one, predetermined body of knowledge, skills, and abilities. Core curriculum needs some type of predetermined knowledge, skills, and abilities which we want to inbuilt in our students. Next one, contain exact, precise subject matter. Core curriculum needs precise subject matter. It requires a precise subject matter which to be taught in the classroom situation. Next one, deals with personal and social problems. Core curriculum deals with our personal as well as our social problems. It requires a great degree of flexibility in the sense that we need time to time changes according to our needs and aspirations. Provides means for developing social competence. It may be regarded as a means for developing in ourselves a social competency. Next one, requires wide variety of techniques and materials. Core curriculum is a curriculum which we run in our regular classes. So we need different type of techniques and materials, methods, etc. which to use in our classroom. Next one, provision for individual and group guidance. Core curriculum may be regarded as the work as group as well as individual guidance. Next one, encourage to use problem solving techniques to solve our problems, it provides a stream of organizing of school programs. Next one, types of core curriculum. There are some types of core curriculum. First one, separate subjects. That is taught separately with little and no efforts to relate them to each other, like math, science, social sciences, languages, Hindi, English and Punjabi, which we taught separately with our little efforts. Next one, two or more subjects correlated. In this type of core curriculum, we correlated two or more subject with each other. For example, like social sciences, we will study about the history, geography, economics, and sciences we will study about chemistry, physics, and bio with each other. Next, third one is focused core curriculum. Focused core curriculum like physics, chemistry, botany, and zoology, it may be taught as a general sciences. That is focused curriculum. History, geography, economics, sociology, and anthropology may be combined and taught as a social science. It may be regarded as a focused core curriculum. Next one, merits of core curriculum. What is the merits of core curriculum? First one, a common learning provides to all learners. It provides common learning to all learners without any differentiation. Next one, common learning are expected essential for the learner to function effectively in the society. That are that is the compulsory that make a good citizen of our society. Next one, these common learning vary according to the different experts. It may depend upon the expert. So it may vary according to different experts. Next one, it emphasizes that all students would experience a set of common and essential learning that were necessary for learner to function effectively in society. Next one, emphasizes on all students. It emphasizes on all type of students, maybe gifted, slow learner, that regarded as a whole. Next one, it gives about a variety of subjects. Core curriculum gives a knowledge about a variety of different subjects. Next one, necessary in every phase of one's education. Core curriculum is necessary in a phase of one's education, every phase of one's education. Next one, maintain children interest. Core curriculum helps to maintain a children's interest in every subjects. Next one, gives opportunity to develop skills. Next, facilitates communication and coordination of projects. Leads to the development of higher level thinking skills. It ultimately leads to developments of a higher level of thinking skills. It provides broad thinking skills in students. Next one, benefits students with high mobility. Enhance teachers' collaboration and professional development. It enhances the teacher collaboration, teacher efforts, and their professional developments also. Child's need, experiences, and problems. It caters to child's need, their experiences, and sort out their problems also. It works for the intellectual development, cultural literacy, and develops the aesthetic sense of the learners. Next, CC is drawn from, core curriculum is drawn from needs of common individual and social needs. It draws from our social, common, and individual needs. And next, it emphasizes on discussion and group problem solving method. Next one, minimized adults child conflict. Adults child conflict will be minimized through core curriculum. Avoid boredom and reduce stress. Focus attention and goals. It only focus attention and goals which we will achieve in future. Improves the probability of success. Success ratio is higher in the core curriculum, not just restricted to classroom. Core curriculum is not just restricted to classroom only. It some type of curriculum that are out of class, that are used or that are beneficial out of a class also.